Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews, updates, and everything you need to know about the car world. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated SUVs of 2026, the Toyota RAV4. So, let's get into it. The Toyota RAV4 has been a staple in the compact SUV segment for years, blending reliability, efficiency, and practicality. Now, the 2026 model is here, and it brings some exciting changes that are sure to grab your attention. Whether you're a longtime fan of the RAV4 or considering it as your next vehicle, let's break down what's new and what you can expect from this updated model. First up, design. The 2026 RAV4 continues Toyota's bold approach to styling. It's got a more aggressive, rugged front fascia with sharper headlights and a wider grille. This gives it a more commanding road presence, setting it apart from previous models. The body lines are cleaner but still maintain the signature RAV4 look, compact but muscular. There's a new, more sculpted rear bumper and refreshed wheel designs that give it a modern, athletic vibe. Under the hood, the 2026 RAV4 offers multiple powertrain options. There's the classic gasoline engine, but Toyota is also doubling down on hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants. The hybrid option now boasts better fuel efficiency, making it an even more attractive choice for eco-conscious drivers. For those seeking a bit more power, the RAV4 Prime, the plug-in hybrid, has been upgraded with a more powerful electric motor, giving you an increased electric-only range and an overall more dynamic driving experience. One of the standout features of this new RAV4 is its advanced tech. Toyota has upgraded its infotainment system, now featuring a larger touchscreen with a user-friendly interface. You'll get standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a built-in navigation system. The addition of a 12.3-inch digital display in the cockpit is a welcome upgrade, replacing traditional dials with a fully customizable digital instrument cluster. On the safety front, Toyota has made sure that the 2026 RAV4 is packed with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This includes updated features like improved adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a more advanced pre-collision system. There's also a new 360-degree camera system, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier than ever. Whether you're driving in city traffic or on a road trip, these safety features are designed to give you peace of mind. Interior. Another thing that remains a standout in the RAV4 is its interior. Toyota has made sure the cabin is comfortable and spacious, with premium materials used throughout the interior. The rear seats offer ample legroom, and the cargo space is generous for a compact SUV. Plus, the new RAV4 comes with optional ventilated seats and a panoramic sunroof, making your drives more comfortable and enjoyable. Now, let's talk about the driving experience. The 2026 RAV4 feels agile on the road, with responsive steering and a smooth ride, especially when paired with the hybrid powertrain. For those who need a bit more off-road capability, the RAV4 TRD off-road trim is still available, giving you rugged tires, enhanced suspension, and better ground clearance. So whether you're commuting to work or heading out for an adventure, the RAV4 has you covered. So, there you have it. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 is shaping up to be another winner for Toyota. With its sleek design, improved tech, better hybrid options, and enhanced safety features, it's definitely a contender in the competitive compact SUV market. What do you think of the new RAV4? Are you excited about the upgrades, or do you think Toyota missed the mark this time around? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more car reviews, and hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.